Hello, this is the second video on percentages, and this one we're going to be looking to find 5%, 15%, 20% and 50%. So easy steps again, 2 steps only to find 5%. So 5% to find 5%, step 1, find 10%, and step 2, half the answer found in step 1. So let's find 5% of 5% of 60. So following the steps, step 1, find 10%. Now we know how to find 10% because we did this in our last video. All you have to do is divide by 10. So 10% is 60. Just divide by 10. That's 6 at step 1. Step 2 says half the answer found in step 1. So 5% must be half of this is 3. Simple as that. Let's do another one. 5% of 120. So 5% of 120 is following the steps. Step 1 says to find 10%. So we know to find 10%, all you do is divide by 10. So I know what 10% is. And step 2 says half the answer found in step 1. So 5% is just half of this answer. And there we have it. So 5% of 120 is 6. 5% of 60 is 3. That's how you find 5%. So let's move on to finding 15%. So 15%. So let's do 15% of 60. Keep it nice and simple. So this time we've got 3 steps. The first 2 steps are the same as the steps for finding 5%. So we're going to follow them steps as of above. So step 1, find 10%. Step 2, same as up there. So step 2, half it. And step 3, add together. So step 1 and step 2 are the same as finding 5% up here. So let's do it. So step 1 says find 10%. And we know how to find 10%. We say the amount, just divide by 10. Step 2, 5% must be half of the first answer. So half of this is 3. And step 3 would be our 15%. And it says to add them together. So you just add these 2 answers together. So we know 15% of 60 equals 9. Let's do another one of them, just following them 3 steps. Just separate that. So let's find 15% of 120. Following the steps, step 1, find 10%. And that's simply dividing by 10. Step 2, to find the 5%, you just half that answer. And step 3, to get our 15%, just add these 2 together. So 15% of 120 is 18. Nice, straightforward. So now we're going to move on to 20% and 50%. So let's find 20%. So finding 20%. So finding 20%. 2 steps only. Step 1, find 10%. And step 2, double the answer in step 1, double step 1. So let's do some, let's stick with the same numbers. So let's find 20% of 60. So step 1, find 10%. And remember, to find 10%, all you do is divide by 10. Step 2, double this answer. So 2 lots of that is 12. So we know 20% of 60 equals 12. 2 steps. Let's do another one. Find 20% of 80. So step 1, find 10%. Like I said, to find 10%, all you do is divide by 10. Step 2, just double our answer, because on 2 of them. So we know 20% of 80 equals 16. So we're just going to do finding 50%, which is the easiest. It's just simply one step. So let's do 50%. So 50%, just one step. Step 1, half the amount. So if I want to find 50% of 80, I've just got to half this. So I'd say it's 80 divided by 2 is 40. 50% of 120, all we do is half this. That's 60. So 50% is nice and easy. All you do is half it. So let's say 50% of 60, you just half that 60. And we might as well do 25%. So let's do 25%, so that's 50%, just one step. So 25%, all you're going to do with 25%, you're going to do the same as that, step 1. Well, we could say, actually we'll change it. Oh no, we'll do that, half the amount, half the amount. On step 2, half it again, half it again. Because remember, 25% is the same as a quarter, so let's do 25% of 80. So following step 1, half the amount. And step 2 says half it again. There you go. So 25% of 80 is 20. Let's do 25% of 120. Following the steps. Step 1, half the amount. And step 2, half it again. So they're basic steps to find your basic fractions: 5%, 15%, 20% and 50%, and also we threw in the 25% one there. So do check out the first video, finding 10% and 1%, if you didn't see that, and check out the next video, which is going to be doing some more percentages a little bit more complex. Thanks for watching.